keep watching to see how I made this pesto pasta. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Temi Talks here, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a subscriber request video. It is for pesto pasta, so if you would like to see, keep watching. I'd also like to stop you right here before you continue watching and to click subscribe. I've got some fry light spray and I've sprayed it into my pan quite a little bit, and what I'm going to do is pour in my spiralized zucchini noodles and let that simmer for a little while. And I'll be back in the next shot. As you can see, the pasta is still simmering and I'm going to allow it to continue to get a bit soft whilst I blend up the pesto, and now we'll be back. Some cheese, some basil, a handful, a big handful of spinach, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic and half a lemon. This is what I'm going to be using to make my pesto. Time to blend. See you in the next shot. Now the pesto is ready, and I forgot to mention I added some adobo seasoning. This is literally how I make my pasta, and you can see the colour has changed. It's a bit more translucent. So it is basically almost ready. What I'm now going to do is add a little bit of the pesto, not too much. It is a bit liquidy, as you can see, and the reason for this is because I have not added any nuts to it, because I don't have any, you know, quarantine, lockdown shortages. I don't have any nuts with me. And I only normally use cashew nuts, and they're not the healthiest nuts. So you add the pesto in and you stir it like so. Just stir it in, and that's it really. Pesto pasta, a recipe that you pesto pasta. There you have it, a very short video on how I make my pesto pasta. This is more like an makeshift alternative pesto since I don't have all the ingredients, but when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade, so you make do with what you have in life. I've got some frozen salmon fillets that I've defrosted, and I'm gonna pair them with my zucchini. So I've got a mix of turmeric, black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, a little bit of adobo seasoning, and that a tiny bit of turmeric. I'm going to sprinkle it on and season both sides, and I'm going to put it in the pan. Do the same again with the next side. And I'll be back. What I'm going to do is add some fry light to my heated pan. As you can see, sizzling. I'm going to put it on face side down in the pan and allow it to cook until it's pretty golden. This is the type of noise that you want to hear. It is sizzling even more. I'm going to turn it over. We've got a bit of brown on it now. And this is what you're looking for. Want it to be a bit more brown. You can see there's a bit of white stuff coming out. You want to just scrape that off. That's the fat leaving the salmon. Salmon is a very fatty fish. You don't want to leave it on the skin side for too long because it will stick to the pan. The pasta is ready to eat.